Round sets enable you to create rounds of different radii and type in a single feature. If you start the Round tool and select an edge of the model, a single round set is created. You can see this in the Sets tab, that Set 1 contains a single edge reference and a round radius of 2. If you press Ctrl and select additional edges, they'll be added to this set. Now the set contains 3 edges, all with a radius of 2. If you don't press Ctrl and select another reference, a second set will be created. With Set 2 active, press Ctrl and add a second edge as reference. Then change the set's round type by right-clicking and selecting Full Round from the pop-up menu. You can also add new sets to your round by selecting Add Set from the pop-up menu or New Set from the Sets tab. Using the Control key, a third set can be created that will be a round referencing this surface and this edge, an edge-to-surface round. Round sets not only help you decrease the number of features in your model, but create complex rounds as well.